Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. Today we have my famous Greek salad sandwich. You're going to need a nice spongy sandwich bread, feta, tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, green peppers, olives, rigani, and olive oil. We begin by adding olive oil on both sides of the bread, and that's why we want a nice spongy bread so it could absorb all that olive oil. Do you know that this Greek salad sandwich is one of the healthiest sandwiches you could make? And now, on both sides of the bread, we add some rigani. We begin with feta cheese, and all our ingredients are sliced around half an inch thick. After the feta, the nice red juicy tomatoes. Time for the cucumbers now. On top of the cucumbers, we're going to place the red onions. Let's add now the green bell peppers. And now, at the end, we add the chopped up olives. And there you have it, a Greek salad all in one sandwich. Extremely tasty and healthy. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.